Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can assign a start date for an issue or item on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your GitHub project and create a new item, for example, or issue, or go with one of your already existing ones. And there are two ways how you can add a start date. Option number one would be to simply create a completely new column or field for start dates. If your default view of the given project doesn't contain that start date column, you can create one by clicking into that plus add field button here. And after that, simply select the start date field. And that's it. After that, you may click into this cell here for the given issue and select the start date. So let me go with January 21st tomorrow and select a different start date for that issue, and so on and so forth. That's option number one. Option number two would be to simply access the given item by clicking into it. And here to the right, guys, you will see, let me just find it. You will see also the project status and the start date below. There you have it. So under project, you will see the start date. Click into no date and assign a date from that menu. And that's basically it. You will see also the start date connected here in that cell, in that field. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.